All right, market recap from today. Earnings season slowing down, but we still got a great winner today on Intel. You have here NAVN. Had some good news. INTC double upgrade by Bank of America. This was my favorite. That's why I put it on the front. CME and CPNG, and of course SPY. Additionally, as always, I'm drawing the charts, resistance and potential targets with all the details of the potential entry for the option. Let's go through the charts quick here. So yeah, I recognize Intel before the market open because one of the same rules apply even from 8 years ago. So I used to trade stocks that I made money on before, and the more money I made on a stock, the more I like it. So Intel has been one of the favorites always, and in combination with great news, large cap analyst upgrade. So this has been on the top of the list for today. And you see we got a 2-minute time frame here. And as the market opened, we broke straight the resistance, holding above it, and then straight and quickly to target. And that's it. That's the best case scenario. So this was a very clean trade. And so I prefer to have like 2-3 displays and putting the selections on different displays. And then I'm watching at the market open, okay, which of the selection is breaking resistance and setting up for a burst higher, which was Intel today. So that was a great trade. Let's go through the next one here quick. Which one? This one here. Yeah, you see the difference, huh? So it stayed below the resistance at the market open. No attempt to go higher. So it's a no trade zone. No trade on this one, no loss. Keeping it easy here. What? Okay, the next one here, CME. Yeah, same. Didn't show any power at the open. Staying below the resistance line. No attempt to break above it. So it's a no trade. So that means no loss. Just wait at the market open which one is the best, which one looks the best, and we jump on the best. That's it. And we ignore the rest. Okay, which one else we had here? CPNG. CPNG. Yeah, that was a little more tricky. I mean, because we broke already above it before the market opened. So then we have to wait at the open here. So yeah, there was a quick spike here to target, but that doesn't really count. And then if it's looking like this, too crazy, too fast, too weird, then we have to step away from this one for now and wait until it forms something new. So here was like, yeah, we enter on a, if you can hold at the open or on a retest. So the retest also failed here. So there would be a stop loss, and we broke even below the resistance again. But for those of you who are trading longer, but you see within a 60 minutes window, we still went to the target in a clean trade then later on. So this was not a straight at the open trade. On this one, when it's already close at the target here, and this was anyways impossible to enter here, this requires patience here to form something. So here it was showing more power, and so once it broke for the second time above this resistance here, that was in the entry, the real entry, and the market was calmer, and we went to the target a couple times here, and even much higher. But yeah, I'm only trading the first 60 minutes, which is from here to here to here. So that was still a great trade in the end. If you just follow the rules, sometimes it's more difficult, so it's not so clean and easy here always, like Intel. But this is great. Then you can focus on Intel first. It was a great trade, best setup. Take your profit, and then you wait one of the selections. Maybe there's another trade coming, which was this one. So yeah, that was it. And let's go through SPY. Okay, we had some after the market open. We got some news here. So of course that was not possible to trade unless you gamble all day. So I only trade the first 60 minutes, and otherwise it becomes the probability to break rules is just so high after 60 minutes, and then it can turn into gambling. So I've been drawing the resistance line here for SPY. You see it really it didn't go higher. So there was a no trade on SPY, and this was too long, too choppy here. After 60 minutes, step below, like didn't go. Like it should happen within the first 60 minutes. Otherwise, it's too stressful and taking too much time to watch this all day. So yeah, of course, later on in the day we had the great news here, market related. So we broke the resistance. You see, then we actually went to target. But then for that you have to watch several hours, which is not worth it. So yeah, just ignore this one and move forward.